welcome. So we're answering your questions today that we find from the chat. We have Debbie Harold. She says, you don't show how to remove the glass carafe from the stainless holder. I have this and I can't for the life of me get the glass carafe out of the base. Debbie, I got you. I have the instructions right here. My name is Melody and this is How To Vids. That might be you. Maybe you just want to separate the base from the carafe. Maybe you just want to clean it. This is how you do it. So here you have to make sure you're holding on to the metal base plate firmly. So hold on to it firmly, but with a firm grip, you're going to hold on to the glass carafe and then you're going to pull up. And that's how you separate the carafe from the metal base. Like these tutorials, make sure you're clicking on our playlist for all of our kitchen gadgets and more. We've also got recipes, and we also want to invite you to like and subscribe to our videos so we can create more content that you love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.